everyone, today is Friday, February 16th, and I am Alonda. I have a confession. I learned something very valuable last night / this morning, so I'm going to share it. We are living and learning today. See you in a moment. Hey, I'm back. And as I stated, today is confession time. So last night, about 10:30, I decided to weigh myself. I had taken my second injection on Wednesday, and I was curious to see if I had a massive weight loss from Wednesday to Thursday, being that it was my second injection. So around 10:30, I stood on the scale, and I was stoked. I had lost 10 pounds. So from last Wednesday to yesterday, Thursday, I had a 10-pound weight loss. I was stoked. I was hyped. I was so excited. I did not record it because it was right before I got in the shower, so therefore I was not dressed. I guess you wouldn't have known that. But I didn't have my phone with me. I just decided real quick before I jumped in the shower, let's just see, did I lose weight? And I did. Once I got out the shower, I was so stoked that one of my guilty pleasures creeped up on me. And when I say guilty pleasures, every now and then I get into I had a craving. And I've had cravings pretty much all my life. All my life, I'll go through these little periods where I want something and I want it and I want it and I will eat it until I can no longer eat it. I've done this with caramel apples. I've done this with cotton candy, Twix, Reese's peanut butter cups, steak. There was a time where I just craved steak. Now, I do recognize I am anemic. I have been anemic all my life. I have thalassemia alpha, so I'm anemic. It just is what it is. Now, whether that's a correlation to my cravings, I don't know. But my latest craving, which has actually gone on for about 2 years, it kind of died down in November, which is why I still had the box. And after the 10-pound weight loss, I was hot. I was like, what? We gonna eat tonight. We're gonna eat tonight. So I broke out an old box of church crackers. Yes, my current addiction, which I thought I kicked, is church crackers. Now, if I showed you my Amazon cart, you would probably wonder, how am I even sane? But yes, I do. I consume church crackers. Now, like I said, I hadn't consumed them since November, and I still had the box, so I dove in. That was a horrible mistake, because around midnight this morning, my stomach was not okay. It was really not okay. I felt really nauseous, and I was burping religiously, just like, okay, bad choice of words, continuously. I was burping, and I said, okay, I think this is gonna cause a problem. I did. I ate 3. And that was able to kind of help me out to the point where I could lay down and go back to sleep. But yeah, I think I'm done with eating the church crackers. Like, I really, we can throw that away because I'm over that. I did not like that feeling last night. And my mind was telling me I was good. My body was telling me I was good. But my overall me, I went for it. I was like, oh, I'm eating these church crackers. I've lost 10 pounds. I've lost 10 pounds. I don't know if I gained any of that back eating those church crackers. I don't know. I'm not touching that scale till next Wednesday. That's what I will say. True confessions, not touching the scale till Wednesday. But I wanted to share that with you, because every now and then I do get into my little cravings. So, I know I'm gonna have to work on that, whether it's a psychological thing or a physical thing. I'm going to have to break the habit of my cravings / mini addictions. So just wanted to share. Last night, I did have to break into these because I ate that row of church crackers. Which, oh, by the way, church crackers. I don't want to. Church crackers literally have 0 calories. However, they're water and flour, so it can't be that great for you. And if you notice, there is 0 nutritional value. So, yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. Last night, early this morning, not fun times. Not fun times at all. I am living and I am learning. And I learned today. Y'all take care.